Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Shatrughan, along with my channel, Spirituality with Shatrughan, Know the Unknown. Here today, along with a very simple, however, very, very effective, very, very dangerous topic. And the word is anger. Alright, anger is a natural process. Okay, it is release of chemicals inside our body, especially when there is a life and death situation or a threatening situation. However, in today's time, modern time, when we have everything in our lap, at our control, at our disposal, anger has become a daily part of our lives. It follows by stress. And trust me, when we are angry, we are not thinking. So what do we do? How to get rid of anger? How to get rid of things that brings anger? Okay, that we expect from people, and when we don't see that happening what we expect, it turns out that we lose our control and we start to talk unnecessarily. The tongue becomes a fire. All right, it is a saying that when two people do not agree on anything, when two people start to raise their voice in anger, in desperation, all right, then their hearts start to move away from each other. Think about it. Spouse, friends, family members, neighbors, okay, colleagues, right? So it is very, very important to think what you speak when you are actually getting angry. You will use hurtful words for your loved ones. You will bring their past. You will start to erode them unnecessarily out of that chemical release which is known as cortisol. Cortisol is a God given natural gift to us, which ideally in medieval times used to be great when our ancestors, okay, forefathers, used to be in the forest and fight so called saber tooth tigers. At that time, yes, anger was required. If you're going for a battle, if you need that rush, then anger is very, very important. However, it is like a fire, okay, a ball of fire. All right, you need to tame it, you need to use it wisely. And if you're able to use it at the right circumstances, it is a boon. Otherwise, if you're using it on your near and dear ones, your spouses, your kids, your parents, your colleagues, etc., trust me, you will get hurt in the end. You will hurt people, all right, and there is a distance. You will create distance among each other. That is what happens when you are angry. Since anger management is very, very important, whenever you feel that you are getting angry or you're not able to control the situation, do the following. Start counting 10 to 1 backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Poof, anger gone. But you have to say that silently inside. It takes a lot of courage, all right, to stop that anger coming out. Stop the tongue becoming fire. You, using unnecessary, hurtful words for your beloved ones. Later, you can apologize 1000 times, say sorry, send cards, write notes. However, please understand, a thread once broken, you can tie a knot, but the knot is always there. Ladies and gentlemen, stress is very, very common, very, very natural these days. You need to make sure that You are at peace all the time. You are in your control. And how you can do that? You need to make sure you're observing yourself. Yes, rather than observing others around you all the time, which is a natural phenomena we always do. What the other person is wearing, how the other person is eating, how the person is sitting, standing, talking, behaving. Oh, come on. You have no control over others. All right? You should not even try to control others. The only person that you can control is yourself. Hence, whenever you feel like your cortisol is rushing and you're not able to control it, remember, start counting backwards. Trust me, it is difficult, but it is not impossible. It will bring happiness, peace into your lives. Trust me, your spouses will love you more, will care for you more. All right? And especially, it is very, very important that we do meditation. Once you do meditation, close your eyes. The Panchbindu sadhana that I have shared with you in one of the videos, it will bring peace to you. Trust me, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, very, very important. Even if you're walking or alone, or you're getting into an important meeting, or there is a situation where you need to take control, you need to show your leadership skills, just 2 minutes, tap to your 5 points that I've shared with you: left temple, right temple, back side of your head, forefront, forehead, and the top of your head. And trust me, it will bring you peace. And you will not get stressed. You will not become angry. You will become lovable. People will like you, respect you. There will be happiness, peace around you. Please listen to the video once again. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever I talk, whatever I say, trust me, it is not scripted. I am not an actor. I am not a celebrity, and nobody is paying me to pass my thoughts to you. I think that as a human being, we need to give something back to the society. All right? God has given us this beautiful life. So what are we doing? All right, to help others. And this is one small way to pass the wisdom. All right, whatever I read, whatever I come across, my experiences, I try to share it with you. Right? Again, all right, it is unscripted. So in case you don't like anything, in case I've hurt somebody, I am really very sorry. But the idea is to improve, to evolve, and to become a better person than we all were yesterday. Think about it. Zero stress, zero anger, meditation, gratitude. Read as much as you can. You will start loving yourself. People will love you, and you will have an amazing life. All right? With this thought, I leave you. Like, share, subscribe if you think I have touched you again today. God bless.